Scan Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Dehradun. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they offer accurate and detailed 3D scans for various industries and applications. Their expertise lies in capturing high-resolution scans of objects, buildings, and even human bodies, ensuring precise measurements and realistic representations. As a pioneer in the field of 3D scanning, Scan Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of delivering quality results to their clients. They utilize advanced scanning equipment and software to capture even the smallest details of an object or structure. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product development, or medical imaging, their 3D scanning services provide valuable insights and data that can be used for analysis, design, and production. One of the key advantages of choosing Scan Design India Private Ltd for 3D scanning services in Dehradun is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their scanning process accordingly. Their team of experts ensures that the scan data is accurate and reliable, allowing clients to make informed decisions and streamline their workflows. Scan Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services have wide-ranging applications across different industries. For architects and engineers, 3D scans of buildings and structures enable precise measurements, analysis, and visualization. Manufacturers can benefit from 3D scans of products for quality control, reverse engineering, and prototyping. Even the healthcare industry can leverage 3D scanning for medical imaging, prosthetics design, and surgical planning. In conclusion, Scan Design India Private Ltd offers top-notch 3D scanning services in Dehradun. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Dehradun, Scan Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider in this field. With their expertise in 3D scanning technology, Scan Design India offers high-quality and accurate scanning solutions for a wide range of industries and applications. Using state-of-the-art equipment and advanced software, Scan Design India ensures that their 3D scanning services meet the highest standards of precision and efficiency. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, their team of skilled professionals can handle any scanning project with ease and proficiency. One of the key advantages of choosing Scan Design India for 3D scanning services is their commitment to delivering customized solutions tailored to the specific needs of their clients. They understand that every project is unique and requires a personalized approach. By closely collaborating with their clients, they are able to accurately capture the desired data and provide comprehensive scanning services that meet their exact requirements. Scan Design India's 3D scanning services are not limited to any particular industry. They cater to a diverse range of sectors including automotive, aerospace, medical, architecture,